Very good afternoon, my dear lovely children. Today is your maths revision class. First, I will tell the pattern. See here, children, the first Roman is write the place values of each digit using Indian place value system. We already discussed in class now Indian place value system like that. The second Roman is find the place values of the underlined digit. Third Roman is fill in the blanks, and next fourth Roman compare using greater than, less than or equal. Next fifth one write in Roman numerals. Sixth write in words. Seventh write in figures. Okay children, by using this number we have to write the place values. See here, what is this number? 98 crores 76 lakhs 54,321. By using this number what we have to write? Place values. See this, 98 crores 76 lakhs 54,321. Now we have to write the place values. One is in which place, children? Yes, one is in ones place. Next, two is in tens place. Three is in hundreds place. Next, four is in thousands place. Five is in 10,000s place. Next, what is the number here? Yes, 6. 6 is in lakhs place. Next, 7 is in 10 lakhs place. And last, next to see these two numbers. What is this number, children? 98. 98 crores. So 8 is in crores place. Next, 9 is in 10 crores place. We already discussed this topic in previous class also. Once again I am telling why, because revision no, that's why. Our first Roman is place values. See here, again I am repeating. 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 4 is in thousands place, 5 is in 10,000s place, 6 is in lakhs place, 7 is in 10 lakhs place, 8 is in crores place, and 9 is in 10 crores place. Okay children? Children, now second Roman is find the place value of the underlined digit. See in your textbook page number 81, Roman number 4. Here see find the place values of the underlined digit. Now see the first one. The underline is in 8. See here. Tell the value of 8. Children, tell the value of 8. First we have to count all the place values. No? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 8 is in which place? 8 is in crores place. Here we have to write the crores. And next you see the second one. See children, 4 is in which place value? Again we have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So here what we have to write? 10 crores. Okay children, next you see the next question. Now tell the value of 7, place value of 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 7 is in which place? 7 is in lakhs place. Okay children, now tell this number. 9 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds. So here we have to write hundreds. Okay children, where the underline we have to write that place value in the bracket. Okay. Okay, see children, third Roman is put correct sign. We have to keep the correct sign, greater, lesser or equal. See this number, what is this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 26 lakhs, 60,000, 783. Tell what is this number? 26 lakhs, 71,699. Among these two numbers, which is the greatest number, children? Yes, first we have to count the leftmost side. Here 2 is there. Here also 2. So these two and these two are equal. Next one is 6. Here also 6. Both the numbers are equal. Next see here. What is this number, children? 6. And what is this number? The number is 7. Among these two numbers, which is the greatest number? 7 is the greatest number. So 26 lakhs 71,699 is the greatest number. We have to give the greatest sign. Next see here. What is this number? 45 lakhs 45,454. And next 45 lakhs 45,454. See here children, these two numbers are equal or not equal? Yes. The places are all are equal. So these two numbers are equal. Next you see here, these two sums are in next chapter. Roman numbers chapter is there, no? That chapter. See here, what is the value here? C. C means how much? C means 100. Next, L means what is the value? L is equals to 50. Among these two numbers, which is the greatest number? 100 or 50? 100 is the greatest number. So we have to keep the greatest sign. Now see here children, what is this number? X, I, V. X means what is the value? X is equals to 10. I is equals to 1. V is equals to 5. Now tell what is this value? In between two greater number, smaller number is there means we have to do the subtraction here. So tell what is this number? The number is equals to 14. Next see here, X is equals to 10. V is equals to 5. I is equals to 1. Yes, what we have to do here? 5 means. Now tell all these values. Add means what is the value? 10 plus 5 plus 1. 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equals to how much? 16. Here 14. The number is here 16. Among these two numbers, which is the greatest number? 16 is the greatest number. So we have to keep the greatest sign to 16. See here Roman numbers. Now we are going to discuss the Roman numbers. I is equals to 1. I is equals to 1. V is equals to 5. X is equals to 10. L is equals to 50. C is equals to 100. D is equals to 500. M is equals to 1000. Okay children, again I am repeating, listen. I is equals to 1. V is equals to 5. X is equals to 10. L is equals to 50. C is equals to 100. D is equals to 500. M is equals to 1000. I will ask the oral test also. We have oral test now. In this I will ask oral test. If I ask C is equals to how much means you have to tell C is equals to 100. Okay children. Now see here, fill in the blanks. Now we are going to discuss about the fill in the blanks. The first one is the smallest 7-digit number is. What is the smallest 7-digit number? See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. The smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakhs. Okay, the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakhs. Next, the smallest and greatest 8-digit number is. The smallest and greatest 8-digit number is. What is the smallest and greatest 8-digit number? See here children, the smallest number is 1 crore and the greatest number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So what is this number? 9 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Okay. Now see here, the smallest and greatest 9-digit number. Here we have to go through the 9-digit number. the smallest 9-digit number is 10 crores and the greatest number is 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Next, see the fourth one. What comes just after? Here one number is there now. What comes after this number? So what we will do? Here we have to add 1. Here what is this number? See children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 9 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999 plus 1. We have to do plus 1. If we add plus 1 means, see here what is this number? 10 crores. And next, fifth one. What comes just before? See here, what is this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. What is this number children? Yes, 1 crore. If we minus 1 means what is the value? Here if we minus 1 means what is this value? 99 lakhs, 99,999. Okay children, read this, fill in the blanks. Okay. Okay children, see here, fill in the blanks. The first one is 1 lakh equals to dash thousands. Here in between blank we have to write how many thousands we have to write. 1 lakh is equals to how many thousands? Tell me children. Yes, 100 thousands. 1 lakh is equals to 100 thousands. Next, see the second one. 1 crore is equals to dash millions. 1 crore is equals to dash millions. How many millions? 10 millions. See, 1 lakh is equals to 100 thousands. 1 crore is equals to 10 millions. Okay, now see the third one. 1 million equals to dash lakhs. Okay, see, 1 million is equals to dash lakhs. How many lakhs? 10 lakhs. 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. Next, see the fourth blank. 10 crores is equals to dash millions. 10 crores is equals to dash millions. How many millions? 100 millions. Okay, 10 crores is equals to 100 millions. Again see children, I am repeating first onwards. 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. 1 crore is equals to 10 millions. 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. And 10 crores is equals to 100 millions. Okay, are you following children? Next Roman is writing Roman numbers. Writing Roman numbers. See here the first one. What is this number? Yes, very good. 16. Is it possible to write 16 in Roman numbers at direct? No. We have to take some numbers. See here. X is equals to how much? X is equals to 10. 10 plus 6 is equals to how much children? 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. Now we have to write at first 10. 10 means what is the value? X, no? Yes. First we have to write X. And next see here 6. Is it possible to write 6 in Roman number? No. Again we have to take the another number. 5 plus 1 equals to 6 now. So tell what is the value 5 in Roman number? Yes, 5 means V. 1 means I. Total 16 is equals to X, V, I. Okay. See again children, again I am repeating. 16 is there now. It is not possible to write 16 at a time. So we have to take the numbers as 2. We have to divide the 16. 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. No? What is the 10 in Roman number? X. At first we have to write X. Afterwards 6 is there. Again we have to write 6. 6 means again we have to share the 6 into 2 parts. 6 means 6 is equals to 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is equals to how much? 6. 5 means V. 5 means V in Roman number. And again 1 means I. Total 16 is equals to X, V, I. Second one is 25. 25 means how we will write children? Here also we have to share the 25 into 2 parts. See here 10 plus 5 is equals to 25 now. So here X is equals to 10 and again x is equals to 10, and again what is this number? 5. 5 means what is the Roman number? V is equals to 5. Total this number is 25 is equals to x v. Okay children, did you understand? It is not possible to write 25 in one letter. That's why we have to shade this number into possible ways. Next, see the third one. X. The third one is 40. Here we are taking the third one is 40. 40 means how we will write? Is it possible? No. Only the number will write in 3 times only. Only the symbol will write in 3 times. More than 3 times means it is the wrong. See here 40. 40 means x. Is it possible? No. Why? Because 4 x's are there. It is not possible. So what we will do here? We have to subtract here. 50 minus 10 is equals to what is the number? 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. Okay, is it possible children? Yes. So 50 means what is the number? 50 means L. L is equals to 50. 10 means x is equals to 10. Where we have to write? In left side or right side? 40 is equals to, first we will write the 50. 50 means L. Which side we have to write? If we write left side means it is subtraction. If we write right side means it is addition. Okay children. Now where we have to keep? S. Left side we have to keep. Left side means here we have to keep XL. Next see here 60. Again see 60. 60 means is it possible to write 60 at direct? No, it is not possible. Again we have to do the S sharing. 50 plus 10 is equals to 60. Here L is equals to 50. X is equals to 10. So 60 is equals to L. First we have to write the big number. In these two numbers, what is the big number? Which is the big number? L. Again, see here. Which side we have to keep the x? Left side means subtraction. If we keep the left side means it is 40. Only L means 50. And again, which side we have to keep? S. Right side we have to keep. Right side means it is what? It is S. Addition. Very good. Next, see the fifth one. 55. 55 means how we will write? Is it very easy now children? 50 plus 5 is equals to 55. Now 50 means L is equals to 50. V is equals to 5. Now 55 is equals to L V. See, write in figure. Write in figures. The first one is 12 crore 10 lakhs 545. In this number there is no thousand. So instead of thousand we have to keep zeros. See here 12 crores 10 lakhs. Instead of thousand we have to keep zeros. 545. And next second one 6 crores 32,107. 6 crores. Here lakhs places nothing is there. So we have to keep zeros. 32,107. Next third one 62 crores 9 lakh and 31. 62 crores 9 lakh and 31. 62 crores 9 lakh. Here there is no which place, thousands places nothing is there. So we have to keep zeros. And again 100 places nothing is there. Here also 0 and 31. And see here the fourth one 81 crores 6020. 81 crores 6020. Next fifth one 99 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. Here all are nines. 99 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. Okay children, if any number is not there means here we have to keep zeros. Okay. 77,390. 77,390. Here in thousands place nothing is there. So we have to write here zeros. 77,390. And next see the second one. 409,103,048. 409,103,103,048. Like this we have to write. And next see 90 million, 90,000 and 90. Here all 90s. 736,900,000. 28,337. See 736 million. This is one part. 736 million. This is one part. Next 988,000. Here thousands plus 988. Next 337. 337. Okay. Now see the fifth one. 299,979,439. 299 million. This is one part. 299 million. This is one part. Again 979,000. 979,000. This is one part. Next 439. 439. Like this we have to write these numbers. Okay. 10 ones equals to 110. 10 ones equals to 110. Next 10 tens equals to 100. 10 tens equals to 100. 10 hundreds equals to 1000. 10 hundreds equals to 1000. 10 thousands equals to 110,000. 10 thousands equals to 110,000. 10 thousands equals to 1 lakh. 10 thousands equals to 1 lakh. Children must and should learn this one also. Okay, in page number 80, open your textbooks and see here. 10 ones equals to 110. 10 tens equals to 100. 10 hundreds equals to 1000. 10 thousands equals to 110,000. 10 thousands equals to 1 lakh. Okay, see here. 10 lakhs is equals to 110 lakh. 10 lakhs is equals to 110 lakhs. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 crore. 10 lakhs is equals to 1 crore. 10 crores is equals to 110 crores. 10 crores is equals to 110 crores. 100 thousands equals to 1 lakh. 100 thousands equals to 1 lakh. 100 lakhs is equals to 1 crore. 100 lakhs is equals to 1 crore. Okay, in oral test, teachers will ask 10 crores is equals to means you have to tell 110 crores. Okay, 10 crores is equals to 110 crores. Like this you have to tell. This is very important in oral test, this part. Okay, see here, Indian system and international system. In Indian system, once means we have to write in international system also once. Tens, tens, hundreds, hundreds, thousands, thousands, 10,000, 10,000, up to 10,000. Here both the all these place values are same. In Indian system we call 6-digit numbers as lakhs. 6-digit number here what we will call lakhs. But in international system it is 100,000. It is 100,000. Similarly, see here 7-digit number we call 10 lakhs. Here millions, crores, 10 millions, 10 crores, 100 millions. See the difference here children. Up to 10,000 the place values are same. See here ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000. Up to 10,000 the place values are same. After that the place values are very different in Indian system and international system. See here lakhs, here 100 thousands, 10 lakhs, millions, crores, 10 millions. 10 crores, 100 millions. Okay, see here children, in Indian system and international system, 1 lakh equals to how much? 1 lakh equals to 100 thousands. 10 lakhs equals to 1 million. 1 crore equals to 10 millions. 10 crores equals to 100 millions. In oral test, if I ask 1 crore equals to how many millions means you have to tell 10 millions. Okay, the answer is 10 millions. Like this you have to tell. See here again. 1 lakh equals to 100 thousands, 10 lakhs equals to 1 million, 1 crore equals to 10 millions, 10 crores equals to 100 millions. Okay children? The next Roman is write in words. See here the number 19 lakhs 53,852. See here 90 lakh 53,852. 52, and the second one is 73,29,640. Again we have to write this number into words. 73,29,640. Okay children? Children, after completing the words, see here tables up to 12 tables you have to learn. Children must should learn the tables in oral test and written test. The tables are there. Okay children? Okay children, read the tables. Tomorrow we have the oral test. Teachers will ask the tables, Roman numbers and the place values also. Okay, thank you. All the best for your FA1 examination. In exam, children take A4 size paper and margin it 4 size and write your name, class, section, roll number. After completing this, you have to write the exam. Okay, thank you. God bless you.